Hello guys, welcome to another video. This time I am here to introduce one of my gadget, and that's that's the you guys saw it. It's the iPad Air. It's the 5th generation, 64 GB. Yeah. So I'm going to unbox this one for you guys. Let me. So it's a unboxed fresh piece. So here goes it. I'm going to. It's always, you feel very happy when you do this, on a new product. Here goes the next one. Finally, wow. Okay, it has a charger, C-type to C-type cable. And this is a 20-watt charger. So, and then what is all these? Okay, Apple sticker. Maybe it's after 2 years I'm doing an Apple unboxing. Maybe you guys can watch my earlier Apple, unboxing of my watch and my iPhone 13. I'll give the link above so you guys can have a look on it. And then it is iPad Air. That's it. Good that Apple still gives the sticker. I never knew that. Excellent. So that's the cable, power adapter. Okay, and this is iPad. Pretty decent, big one. So I'm going to, okay. It feels special when you do this. Whoa. A pink edition of iPad 10 Air 64 GB. It just on by itself. Anyways, yeah, this is the first screen. Hello. I think, okay, it's having 89% of battery. And it says maybe hello, namaste, because I remember I doing it on my iPhone the last time. So it says swipe to open. I select English. I select India. I think I'll have to give my Wi-Fi username, password, and then it should be all set to roll. Yeah. Appearance tools, how would you like text icon to look in your iPad? I select the default. I hit continue. Hope you guys are able to see all this. And then it's a quick start. Set up without another device. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead with that. I say return and spoken English, everything, continue. Okay, so here is my Wi-Fi username. You guys can see that. So that's mine, and I enter the password. Okay. And then I should be good to go. Okay guys, so it comes data and privacy, then you hit continue. Then it's to set up my iPad with set up for myself or set up for a child in my family. So it would be for me. So going ahead with this. So it says use your fingerprint in place of your passcode or Apple ID for the purchases. Okay, so it comes with the fingerprint, so I'm just doing it. Cover top button completely. I think it's taking time for me to do the fingerprint. Yeah, done. And you hit continue. Lift and rest the edge of your finger on the top of it. You do that. Okay, fingerprint added. Finger can be used as your touch ID, and you hit continue. Oh god, it says to add another finger. I said no, it's going to take time. Create iPad passcode. I'm going to do that. Yep, done. And I think with this it should be good to go, I believe. Couple of easy steps and then I don't have anything to transfer from my iCloud. Okay, it's asking me for my Apple ID, and once you get this done, then you are like ready to use. Okay guys, so I entered my username, password, and then it says welcome Shine, and then terms and condition, I agree to it, and then here it goes. So I think it's going to take some time for all my apps to get synced with my phone or my watch, and then I should be good to go. Yeah, so that here it is, welcome to iPad, and you say get started. Here is the page, and now all my apps and all get synced and then good to go. Yeah, it's already there. Oh, even you have iMovies, you have everything, numbers, keynote. Yeah, perfect. I think I'll have to get a guard for this, you know. Yeah, I'll have to get a guard. So the pink one looks good. So do comment below if you like the pink color. So that's it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for another such videos. Take care guys. Bye.